a man, I just want to big up JamBox, big up Wesinko, that big up the whole family over there, you see it? Sun is shining. But yeah man, love the vibe, love the crew out, and know say one love anywhere with it.
You have anything to say?
Yeah, I don't know, JamBox876 every time. Yo, I just say, yo, big up Wesinko for that trip, yeah. You know, it's been coming a long time we wanted, but you know, not before it time. You understand? I just said, I have a big up Kirkley himself. Wesinko, Big Roxy. You know, the whole team. You want big up on yourself.
So I say big up JamBox, you know. But if I go up on the river now and showcase my talent.
Hey guys, and we're here at Black River. After all that excitement, we're here to finally get some cool down. And we're here with this beautiful angelic face lady. I'm going to allow her to introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Christine Portius.
Hi, what brings you to Camp Ari today?
Came here for vacation.
How is it? How was the day so far?
It's great. I actually would definitely recommend here. I had so much fun. The ATV ride was so great. No other experience so far has come close to the Camp Ari ATV experience. The rock climbing, I wasn't so great at it. I didn't go so far up, but if you have a lot of grip strength, then you'll do perfectly fine, you know? So yeah, and then we did the laser tag. I wasn't great at that either, but I had fun. So I had a lot of fun. There's a lot of different experiences here, so I definitely recommend here.
And would you come back?
Yeah, I'm going to come back probably next month. See you next month when you come here. Big up JamBox876.
And that is it. Would be like without closing off with our river talk, which is right. Alright, so what I want to know, right, is who gets better treatment, the woman at the yard or the woman on the road?
Woman at the yard. Because she's still home, she do all things at the house.
Because she's what?
She do all things at the house.
You know that your woman is cheating.
One thing I sit in her mood. I sit on her phone sometimes. Like when the person call her, pop up on the phone.
Alright, happy.
Yeah, my name is Wayne Forbes, representing Wesinko family, and I'm here at the river just having fun. I think it depends on how much I value the person, whether at home or outside, depending, because sometimes home kind of get a bit laid back. So I guess sometimes road kind of spice up things, and sometimes the home good still, but then our nature's man to roam and explore and conquer. Just look at it like this. I'm the Black Christopher Columbus. Been searching for Ireland ever since. Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, first and foremost, sometimes change of attitude, behavior. sometimes women tend to dress a bit more sexy, meaning that she is dressing to impress, whereas if it's a laid-back person. And you know, the number one reason why man knows by searching phone, which that's not in my catalog, but if you come across, then I would be unlocking some locks. But for now, I'm not worrying about that. I'm busy doing what I'm doing. Just enjoying myself, as I can see. I'm beside you right now, trying to unlock your lock. So I guess everybody doing the same thing. Locksmith.
Rookie, you know which river it is? Black River. So, come on, Camp Irie, yes. Outside.
So we don't know because we don't get born. You see, so we don't know. Yeah.
You know more I do for me?
Okay, we're faithful. Yeah, turn out. Yeah, turn out. I never that me ask everybody else, they ask me that. So you them give on.
Because we hardly find faithful man like you.
So
me want my man be faithful. Me want to know what keep you faithful as a man.
It keep the money, you see me? When you have a woman, money dispersed too much, so you end up pocket dry too fast. You see my father, so I would just keep loyal and just go and make the cookie work, you see it? More respect more, you see me? So if she disrespectful, then you see me hear that, but don't have to worry about cheating because something you can't stop, you see it? So yeah.